Greetings. How's everybody doing this afternoon? Basically what we went over was pretty much like grouping sets, like trying to figure out like how jank goes together and what makes them like related in different ways. So like there were several different things that like combined them together, but one of them was definitely like confusing to me. Didn't quite really make sense when I first looked at it, but of course after doing the lesson, it started to make sense um, as I went on. So let me get that pulled up real quick. Let me get my phone again and find these pictures. Okay, so all right, so sorry that took forever. Well, I guess upside down U. That's whenever you have this thing. And basically what the upside down U is, or the N, whatever you want to call it, whichever one you want to go with, is basically like whenever things don't have something in common. And so you would put like you would do like U upside down like in a set, whenever they don't have anything in common. And that was so like the relation. So like with this right here, um, here's just a set I found. I don't know if I'm actually supposed to show the homework or not. So I was gonna. Hmm. 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 After much thinking and consideration, maybe I shouldn't show this. But I can show some stuff. So basically, I can get a set, and like the U was upside down, and you had different janks, and several of them were like not related. Then you would write that out, and uh, yeah. So yes, that was that part. And then the right side up U, like how U is normally spelt, you what you would do is basically that stuff that you do have in common. So like, if you had like a set of 3, 5, and 8, and the next set was 5, 8, and 9, then you would do the 5 and the 8 would be grouped together, and then they would be related. So that's what the U stands for. Can y'all see this? That was in my mouth. That was in my mouth. I can't believe that was in my mouth. Okay. And this basically was just a graph, basically just a graph relations between the things. Actually, I have it spelled out. The upside down U, right side up U, graph, right side up U would be the relations, and this will be the things they have in common. The things that only B has will be on B. Things that only A has will be on A. And the things that just are not related at all wouldn't be inside of the graph. So altogether, there was like a lot of stuff I didn't understand. I will say the quiz looks a lot different than the actual homework. Sometimes that some, sometimes that seems to happen a lot. Um, so 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 graph. I noticed on one of the assignments it said section 7.7, and I was like, oh, huh? Because we don't have a 7.7, it only goes up to 7.6, and then as you look further, there's 7.8. Like we don't have a 7.8, it only goes up to 7.6. So it's blowing my mind, and I literally could not find that information in our book. And so, just a few things are graph. So a few things are just a little hard to find. But that's okay, because we definitely did learn a lot. So that was definitely exhilarating. Being graph. But yeah, for the whole lesson, it was great. Fine, it was really good. Honestly, I just I don't know. It's good time.